Back. That's right. Back to back. Yeah, I think I wasn't playing. Alright, so today's gonna be a little quick, right? Well, not really. It's gonna be a live trade, right? You're gonna see me in action, see me work. But I already took one trade today, right? And that one trade actually made me $500 on the funded, okay? So, for TikTok purposes, I know I'm just jumping straight into it, but it's like, come on now. Why not? For TikTok purposes, I'm gonna use S&P because NASDAQ, like, this is too crazy, bro. Like, let's keep it a bean. I try to take two more trades. I thought it was gonna keep going down. A reversal occurred. That's why all this is happening. I should have known. I actually didn't know. I labeled it off. Stop showing that I lost 27K. But yeah, so boom. All right, and all right. There's one difference I already noticed on TradingView that I can't select. How much risk I choose. So this is obviously a paper account with 100K. So, or is it? So, all right. Off the bat, what can we already tell, guys? All right. So, my trade earlier was based on this instance right here. So there was a big bearish candle occurring, right? So, obviously, I was waiting for what? Liquidity to be swept around somewhere this area, and guess what? It did. So guess what market did? It went right back up into that into that inverse fair. What am I saying? Into the fair value gap. And what did market do? Skadoosh! It dropped. But I did take it a little early, which I do realize now it's kind of dumb. But hey, risk. I made 1% on my account today. You know what I'm saying? It's all in the progress. All right. So boom, bada bing, bada boom. But all right. Let's go do what we usually do. So whoever's watching, you know what I'm saying, gets the gist. So originally, how we start with the vid, daily bias. How do we get our daily bias? We just go look at time frames. So first, obviously, we look at the daily, see how the market's moving. So previously, we were bearish. We have one big, strong bullish candle right now, but it's also in a fair value gap, right? This fair value gap is a daily fair value gap, which has like the strongest force in the market as of right now compared to any other time frame. The highest time frame has the strongest force, let's just call it like that. So it's like, yeah, what the heck. So boom. So theoretically, the market today is bearish because hey, we have a bearish fair value gap, we're inside it, we're filling it, pause, and now we just gotta see how the market's moving, right? But this could always change. Why? Because that's just the daily, that's how it's moving. But as we can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are bullish. Okay, we are bullish as of right now. We are bullish, but that could change any moment. So on the 4-hour time frame, we always go to 1800 Asian surf sessions lows and highs. I'm tweaking. So that was Asian sessions lows. We could just mark that high has already been taken out. Then we go to London session, which is probably right. Where is it? Is it 2 o'clock? Yeah, 2 o'clock. Really? I need my notebook. I'm lost. Somewhere around here, but as you can see, it's clearly just bullish all the way up here. So, oh wait, I'm tweaking. That was the previous day. This is 1800s from Tuesday. Yep, I'm dumb. Alright, so what can we do? Let's just full screen this real quick. Yo, why is all this stuff popping up? Yo, come on. It's for the vid. Alright, so boom. So actually, we're right here. Alright, so boom. It's not really high, so we could just move it all the way up here. Guess. Could mark that low as well, because why not? Fair value gap, but as we can both see, it has been inversed. Alright, so a new low has also been created, which is right here. So now, what do we do, chat? What do we do? Where the fuck is it? My fraud? No way. How do I escape? This is kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. So now we go to the hourly. Bada bing, bada boom. So obviously that's the low, high. Could mark this low. It could potentially reach because of liquidity, the resistance. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get more in depth tomorrow with this because I need a little refresher because I just know it's liquidity as resistance and like It's like resisting the market, and whenever that happens, a reversal occurs, or it breaks through. It's like it's 50-50, but you could potentially figure out the probability of when it's gonna go through. You know what I'm saying? Like it takes time, and I'm gonna help everybody like myself understand that a little bit more or a lot more. I don't know yet. All right, enough yapping. Boom, hour time frame, right? So what do we look? I marked the low, 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 high. If we want, we could really go back to all the way back here, mark that high. If we just get a crazy reversal and just market shoot straight up. The news was earlier today. Actually, let me double check because I low-key forgot. That's not news. It's cracking. Damn. Oh wait, news at 10 a.m. Yeah. News at 10, 9, 8:30, 2. 4:30. All right, we're chilling. No news that's gonna bother us. Obviously, let's see how the 10 a.m. push did us. Hold on, bro. There we go. So 10. Dang. I mean, I guess it has something strong. That's it. We marked out the session highs and lows. This is literally all you potentially need to get started trading on your day. I already did my one trade, 500. I'm gonna just keep it at that. All right, guys. But I might do another one if we see another one, or I might do one on the paper trade. You know what I'm saying? So now what I usually do is scale back to the 5 minutes. Obviously, what I told you guys earlier, my previous trade right here is this fair value gap liquidity, which caused this reversal to occur into the fair value gap, and it just went back down. Now, obviously, it was just a gamble because the order block is all the way up here. This could have just simply been inversed into this fair value gap, and I could have just potentially lost a lot. But let's just say I got lucky, because I truly do think I got lucky right there. But all right, so boom. Now what can we do here? All right, so there's a little resistance right here, guys. Because why? We have this peak right here with fair value gap combined together, right? So boom. And there's also an order block, which got canceled automatically, because every time a new trend is made, that happens. And now there's a new order block down here. Why? Because there's a bullish trend occurring now. Well, I don't think it really matters. So we could just write bullish order block. Dang, I feel like a professional right now. Hold on. Yeah, I can't even spell block. Yeah, get me out of here. So boom, as we can see, the market is shooting up in the 5 minute time frame. Hold on now, because this could be a potential reversal, or another, or it's just keep going up. I'm trying to X mark when I'm really I really don't know. So did I even open the trading account real quick? Guys, we're doing everything together on here. Yes sir, paper trading. Connect. Oh, I could. Okay, hold on. This is kind of valid. Count 100K. Alright, so I already potentially took my trade, so I don't really know what trade I will take on this paper trade. Time and force, margin, 470. That's valid. That's like 0.5%, right? Alright. Stop loss, limit. How do I sell? Chat, how do I sell? Alright. Market. Oh, bro. This is all confused. Damn. Y'all saw that? I know y'all saw that. That John literally just skyrocketed upwards. Hold on. Because, bro. We'll figure that out another time. Whoa. Come on now. I want to see that. Alright, so boom. Look at that. And look. Whoa. What just happened? So, yeah. So, we created an inverse. This resistance, useless. Nothing really occurred. But look. This bullish order block I labeled earlier. What did the market do? It started Well, it ended here. It went back down into the, it like tapped into it, right? And look at the progress. This is all in a 5 minute time frame too. Like in a 1 minute time frame, this probably looks, oh, buy and sell's right there. I'm dumb. Like look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a, alright, well, this makes it look ridiculous. Bam. So now, oh shoot, we're fucking pushing. Hold on, chat. Hold on. I don't know where to trade. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. There we go. Where is? See, that's where my line is right there. That's where I want price action to go. But there's always little tricks you can really do. So the last most recent peak that I know of is right here in the 1 minute time frame, right? So I usually tend to mark out some of these sometimes because like it's a potential to hit, right? That's how I look at it. And there's also more fair value gaps. This created another fair value gap right here, which is bullish, but like as you can see, there's just two more. Like this is kind of a good bullish trend. It's pretty strong. So I would think it would probably try and reach all the way up here, where this is what, hourly session highs, I'm pretty sure. So that's the idea of where market wants to hit. So where I will potentially buy for you guys is honestly if this dips back down into this fair value gap right here, or hold on, or oh, it's gonna look super confusing. Yeah, so this is potentially equilibrium, which would be right here in this middle, right? Because this is the lowest point to the highest point. All right. Oh, let me get a napkin, chat. Damn. Oh man, look, it looks so pretty. But that's a little confusing for right now. There is, I don't know how to use that though. It's like a, I'm gonna tap in, trust. I think it's, where is it? Fib retracements. I don't know anything about this as of right now, but I will get into it because I saw TJR using it in one of his videos, and like, he's my mentor, right? So at one point I stopped watching him. Oh my gosh, perfect, guys. Honestly, we're just gonna quickly buy. Did it buy? All right, this is super inefficient. All right, can I just move this still? I don't want this right here. All right, obviously we gotta add a stop loss, which would be right here. It's only $17. Confirm, nigga. Damn, oh, my bad. TP, obviously, want to reach all the way up here. Risk to reward ratio, reward 0.4, risk 0.2. Dang, I need a. That's definitely not good. Hold on. Oh, perfect. 5. How much is 5 units? Yo, chat, I'm getting mad. Boom. Alright. So now what we do is the waiting game. Obviously, this wasn't probably the best trade, but it gives you guys an idea of how I potentially do it. Because I potentially just go off of fair value gaps and liquidity. That's like, I feel like for me, that's the easiest way. That's what I've been taught. Like, obviously, order blocks help well as well. Other confluences help as well. Like, go check the 5 minute, what's occurring in the 5 minute. Look, 5 minute fair value gap as well. If this potential, I mean, I could potentially just move my stop loss even lower. If this, confirm. If this potentially, well, what's my risk now? No, it's not gonna tell me. But 29 to 40, that's pretty, like a 0.3 to 0.4. So if this does drop below here, it's like potentially it would just go up. But we also got to realize, because I'm dumb and I just looked, this is what happens. There is a fair value gap right here, 5-minute one. So low resistance could occur, and potentially, I think that's a order block, but I don't know if it dissipates. It's gonna be a long, boring video. Oh, we're only up $5 right now. If I would have known that, risking that low of money. This is why it's so trash, guys. Like, once we hit to like one of these lines, tap now. That's gonna be the end. Let's see if I'll be. Let's see if I'm successful for you guys. All right. That's what we're here for today. No, see if we're successful. All right, guys. Boom. It's moving. It's moving. You see how it's pushing really slowly right now. Cause why? The volatility is probably to all-time low. It was crazy earlier. Yeah, it's literally 0. So it's like, bro, what the heck? Earlier this joint was spiking. We're still in the 5-minute time frame. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see how we're moving. Bam. Dang. Wait. Potentially, like, if $8 here, how much could I have? And look, guys. On this, that's to win $40. We're up 10. If I were to done it on the trade locker with risking 235,000, we would be up $22K. We would have been up $22K right now, which is insane, but it's the truth. We would be up $22K, and on my funded, I think it would be, where is it? 2. I don't know if that's right. Probably like at least 200, maybe 300. But hey, this is all good. This is trading. Like, I know right now it seems trash, slow, but that's because, what time is it? It's 10:30. Like, bro, the market, like, potentially just, like, it's not as crazy at this time. It's like, this is like safe happy hour for beginners, I'd say. Because if you start at 9:30, yo, you're in for a fucking treat. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. And we still going. Ah, dang. Low-key going down. No bueno. No bueno. Come on. Keep pushing. 350. Yo, for video purposes, if I lose, that's kind of sad. I think I'm pretty good at this stuff, alright? This is a potential trade. I would take it. Would I? No, the market's moving a little too slow. If anything, I probably would have just took it around here. But where would I enter? It's a lot of self-talk, I'm not gonna lie. Unless you guys got friends to talk with, be talking to yourself like me, bro. Because my guys, they in their own world. Respectfully. Come on! No! Oh my gosh. Yes. Bro, there's like a magnet thing. Where is it? How do I use this? Strong magnet. Come on. Yeah, I don't get it. What is this? Lock all drawings. Hide all drawings. Valid. This is pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, that's the 5-minute fair value gap, guys. Honestly, might just want to take the dub and call it quits. I'm not gonna lie. What, $3.80? Hey man, $4.30. Hey bro, that's like, we'll see. Like, damn. Nah, I do think it's gonna reach up here though. Or if anything, like I said, equilibrium, come down around here, and skyrocket even higher. Cause I think it's trying to do a complete reversal. Well, that's trading for you guys. I know it's weak, trash, no money. Like, like, let me put y'all on real quick. Oh shoot. See, this is why I like. This is my world right now. Like this shit's trash. Since this is a demo account, if you have money, look at this. Ready? No, it's pushing up. Oh, never mind. I don't want to lose it. I like being up on my account. Never mind. Oh shoot, we back up $10. Come on, no, keep going. Yes sir, yes sir. That's what I like to see, bro. Get on my face. But yeah, this is potentially trading 12. See, patience is key. We entered, damn, 10 minutes ago. No way. 10 minutes. I'm calling it quits. Y'all see it. Y'all see how it's moving. Making that bread. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Bada bing. Peace.